So, distance to streams. The measure of distance to stream plays an important role in defining areas susceptible to flooding. The zones closest to rivers are the most affected by floods. To obtain this distance, the Euclidean distance tool was used in the spatial analysis tool in ArcGIS. The reclassification was based on assigning a value of 5 to areas farthest from streams and the value of 1 to areas nearest streams, as shown in table number 2. To start, let's go to the geoprocessing toolbar and just search for distance accumulation. This one. By the way, I actually deleted that intermediate data earlier, but now I'm going to need it. So for the input raster or feature source, we are going to use the con. So let's go find it. This one, the reclassification of the con. Here, let's save this in the metadata as well. So let's call this maybe d_ACC, which means the distance accumulation. Click OK. We don't need input raster or feature barriers. For the surface raster, we will use the DEM. Cost raster empty. In back direction, empty as well. And let's choose the environments. Let's click Run and wait for the result. So the green color represents the areas closest to the rivers, as we can see, while the more reddish and white tones indicate the areas that are further away. This one is pretty easy to do, so now let's reclassify the distance accumulation. Search for reclassify. Drag the distance accumulation to the input raster, and let's click classify and look once again to the article so we can see which values we need to put here. So let's go back to the article. So the class number 5 will be below 100 and above 1000 will have a value of 1. Okay, so now let's place these values here. So this one will be 100, this one 300, this one I think it's 500, 1000, and the last one we don't need to change. Click OK, and we need to flip the value. So 0 to 100 will have the value number 5, as we can see here, and the value number 1 will have above 1000. Okay, this one will be 5, 4, 3, 2, and this one will be 1. Let's save this in the final result, and let's call it r_ds. Let's click OK, and once again change the environments. And we can also change the colors so it matches the hands and the slope. So remember, the 5 will have a color red. Number 4, we choose the orange one. 3 will be yellow. Not green, but yellow. 2, this one is the green one. And lastly, the value number 1 will have this dark green. Okay, let me also rename this layer. Remove this one and change the name to 3. Drag this to the bottom of the hand, and the distance to streams is now finished. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next.